Good morning, class. Today I welcome you all on behalf of Rasa International School to study science of class 9th. Chapter number 2 is Matter Around Us Pure, part 10. It is on your book page number 22. In this video, we will continue with the topic how we can separate a mixture of two miscible liquids. Okay, so we can having basically the temperature difference less than 25 degree Celsius or 25 Kelvin. So why I'm saying 25 degrees Celsius or 25 Kelvin? Suppose if we take the difference between 22 Kelvin and 23 Kelvin, the difference will be 1 Kelvin. And on the other hand, if we convert them both in degree Celsius, then also the difference will remain 1 degree Celsius. So I am talking about the difference. Okay, so that is why I can say that 25 Kelvin or 25 degrees Celsius. But 25 Kelvin is not equal to 25 degrees Celsius. Basically, over here is the difference between the boiling point is of 25 either of degree Celsius or of Kelvin. When you calculate in degree Celsius, it will be in degree Celsius. If you calculate in Kelvin, then it will be in Kelvin, but the difference amount will remain same, that is of 25 degree Celsius. So in the previous video we have discussed about the separation of two miscible liquids whose boiling point difference is more than 25 degrees Celsius. Now here we have been discussing about the boiling temperature difference is less than 25. Okay, so we are using here fractional distillation process instead of distillation process. We use fractional distillation process instead of distillation process. For example, for the separation of different gases from air, different fractions from the petroleum products, etc., the apparatus is similar to that for the simple distillation. apparatus जो है similar होता है simple distillation के तरह, लेकिन उसमें एक exception होता है, except that a fractionating column is fitted in between the distillation flask and the condenser. So there is an extra part, that is fractionating column, between the distillation flask and the condenser. So this is the extra part which is being fitted to separate out the miscible liquids whose boiling point difference is less than 25 Kelvin. Clear? So a simple fractionating column is a tube packed with glass beads. So these beads are important. So these beads are glass beads which are spherical, okay, spherical in shape. So the beads provide surface for the vapors to cool and condense rapidly. Actually what happens when we heat it to a boiling point of the lower, okay, lower boiling point in the two liquids which have been miscible liquids, so who's having the lower boiling point, we heat the mixture to that level. Now what will happen, along with the particular liquid, some part of the other liquid with, okay, present in the mixture also evaporates. So what these beads do, they will provide the additional surface area over there. The liquid which is not been required, which is having higher boiling point, is being condensed and again come back to the mixture in the distillating flask. Okay, so these beads provides the surface area for the vapors to cool and condense repeatedly as shown in figure 2.10. So in this way, the liquid which is having higher boiling point will again come back into the distillating or distillation flask, and the liquid is having lower boiling point, their vapor are being passed through the condenser and get condensed and been collected into the beaker over here, that is the pure liquid component is being obtained, and the liquid of higher boiling point is being left behind in the distillation flask. So this is the way where we can separate out the two miscible liquids whose boiling point difference is less than 25 Kelvin. There's an additional thing is fractionating column. Apart from that, everything is same as of distillation. Okay, distillation process. So in fractional distillation process, there's an additional part is fractionating column. Clear? Thank you.